right, what's going on? What's going on? This is JL, the Anti-Guru, and we are coming to you live. It's Monday. So let's jump right into the lesson. We're going to be talking about YouTube again. YouTube is special. So let's turn down the music. Stop it right there. Let's do a check, make sure we are live. Everything's looking good. So, again, we're going to be continuing our series on YouTube. And today we're going to be talking about creating your very first YouTube video if you haven't done so already. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to share my screen because I've got some information I want to share with you. You may want to write some of this stuff down. If you have never uploaded a YouTube video, or even if you have, this is some of the best practices and some of the things that you need to be mindful of when you are doing this. So let's get right into it. Let me share my screen. Sure. Let's see here. Yeah. So here's the format, guys, and you can use this as an outline to write your script. So the first thing you want to do is when you're writing this script out is you want to create a hook. We talked about hooks before. They are there to get people's attention. So the first 15 seconds you want to tell the value of your video and present your hook, whatever that is. I'm going to show you some examples in my channel here in just a minute, but I want to go through this. Excuse me, then we're going to go back into it. The second thing is a trailer or a branded intro that's no more than 4 or 5 seconds. Now, that's optional. Some people do that on YouTube. It does create familiarity. It does give people something extra to look at. But, you know, you can lose your viewers in those first few seconds. So you may want to do that. You may not want to do it until after you've established an audience. The third thing is your intro. So you're going to talk about who you are and why people should listen to you. And look, don't take a lot of time to do this, guys. 15 to 30 seconds. Share a bit of your story. And then number 4, share your content and your story along with that. Now, it can be 7 to 12 minutes. It doesn't have to be that long. It can be shorter. And then finally, your offer. Now, with this type of, this first video, it should be what we call a discoverable video. And all that is just, it's based on your keyword phrases so that it's going to rank and get people's attention. And this is why you want to make this one of your first videos. So, like I say, your offer is to get people to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. So let me stop sharing my screen. We're going to go to the next thing. I'm going to show you some examples of what I'm talking about here. Hold on just a second. Gotta get to the right thing. When technology works. All right, let's stop that video. So here's an example. This is one of my videos. Oh, it's taking a while to load. Come on, baby. There we go. So this is one on how to use long tail keyword research. We've already talked about that, but you know, this is it's got all of the elements that we're talking about. It's discoverable, and no, this is not the one that I wanted to talk about. Whoa, well, this shows you that I'm human too. But really, what I wanted to show you was this. Went to the wrong video, wrong example. Here we go. Right here in the video. This is what I'm talking about. So this is an intro video. When new subscribers come to my channel, this is one of the very first videos that they see. It does exactly what we're talking about. I talk a little bit about who I am, what I'm about, what I'm going to share with them. I also, at the end, I ask them to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. So that brings me, let's go back to my example. Let's see that okay? So now we're going to go to what you need to do when you are going to upload and set your YouTube video live. Now, the thing I want you to consider, guys, YouTube is a lot like a TV show. So, when you're creating your channel and you start uploading these videos, remember, you're creating an experience. And, it's not just about trying to give out information all the time. People need to be entertained. We call it edutainment. You want to educate them and entertain them. So you create a show, you make a schedule, and you publish consistently. Because it's just like with TV. Your favorite TV shows that come on at a certain day, at a certain time, you're always ready to watch them. So that's one of the things you want to do. The next thing is you want to find those keywords for that video. The next thing is you want to create your titles, which are keyword phrase based. Then number 4, create your thumbnail hook. And to get ideas about thumbnails, I'm going to show you some here in just a minute. You look at your Dream 100s thumbnails to get ideas and see how they do it. Those are people, the influencers, the movers, the shakers, all of those people that you're following, that your mentors, all of those people, see what they're doing. The next thing is you need to write a good description. And it could be anywhere from 150 to 300 words. But here's the vital thing. The first 2 sentences should have a keyword and your call to action above the fold. And this is where you can add your front-end phone links, the links to other videos and to other content. And then finally, your tag should be highly relevant to your keywords. So let me go back and I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about right here. Come on, baby, load. Give it just a moment to load up. There we go. So this is one of the videos from this series, Find Your Dream 100 on YouTube. You can see right here, look for people, brands, influencers, keyword phrases to find your Dream 100 on YouTube. And in this particular video, I am trying to get folks to get a free copy of this book. There's the link. It's right up in the fold where you can see it. If I click less, show less, boom, it's right there. But as you can see, I've got another link where I want you to connect. This is my affiliate disclaimer because I am promoting affiliate offers and I will get paid if you purchase those things. And then here you can see my tags. YouTube video ads, YouTube marketing strategy, video marketing for business. That's what this video is about. So that's a good example of what we're talking about here when you are creating your videos, putting your content in, putting your description in so that you can get the views and the likes that you want. So let me stop sharing my screen. All right. So, boy, it's a little hot here. I'm shining a little bit. The temperature raised up here, guys. We were a couple of days ago, we were in the 30s, and today it got up to 60 degrees. Can you believe that? So, these are some of the best practices on how you should go about setting up your first video, how you should upload it, the things that you should be mindful of. Let's go back over it again. Again, when you're doing your first video, you want to create that hook. The first 15 seconds tell the value of the video, present your hook. The trailer is optional. The intro, that's where your content is. You're going to share a bit of your story. That's where you're going to tell who you are, why they should listen to you. Share a bit of your story. Number 4, share your content. Number 5 is make your offer. In this case, if it's your first video, you want people to come and like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications for your future videos. Then once you've got that video made, you want to create that show, create a schedule of publishing, and publish consistently. Find your keywords. We've talked about that in previous parts of this lesson. Write your title. Make sure that you have some of those keywords in your title. Create your thumbnail hook. One more time. Let's go back and I want to show you a thumbnail hook. has it? Like this one right here. See, this is a thumbnail, and you should try to stick with images, not a lot of words. I probably got a little bit too many words in that. But another one that would be good is this one. Learn how to dominate in e-commerce. Yeah, so that's your hook. People might want to check that out. So, am I sharing my screen? No. Oh, boy. Y'all have to forgive me. Let me share my screen. Here we go. This one right here. This one right here. Learn how to dominate in e-commerce. That's a great little thumbnail. Some of these other ones have good thumbnails. I'm not going to go through all of them. But, you get the idea. Something to catch the eye. This is a really good thumbnail. Because, it shows exactly what this video is about. So those are examples of the type of thumbnails that you want to be thinking about. But again, like I said before, if you are following other folks, check out what those people are doing. Check out your, not so much your competitors, but people who are excelling, who are the experts. Look at how they're creating their videos, how they're creating their thumbnails, and you can model after what they do. And this will help you to get your YouTube channel, YouTube videos to rank and get more attention, which eventually will help you fill your funnels, make more sales. Again, I tell you, YouTube is so much different from other platforms because your following, your audience can and usually does grow over time. And but if you do these things, then you'll be able to have more success. You'll be able to have more business, all of those things that we talk about to grow so we can all succeed. So that's pretty much all that I've got for you today. Now, next week, we're going to be talking about publishing, and I'm going to share with you a hack on how you can get people to binge watch your YouTube videos. But like I said, that's about it. Uh-oh. All right. Okay. Well, that means we're at the end of the show. And remember my motto: be the first to apologize, be the first to forgive, the first to forget. Because if you do these things, you become the bravest, strongest version of yourself. Now, if you are a business owner and you would like to come on my show and get an interview, I'd love to interview you so you can showcase your business. I believe my success is tied directly to the people that I help and serve. So if you are interested in something like that, just put #podcast in the comments and I will contact you and we'll talk about getting you on so you can talk about what you're doing. So, excuse me. So as always, we're going to end the same way we start, with a little music. So we're going to go right back into it. That's a nice jam. All right, we'll be on next Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So for the rest of the week, make sure you do something nice for somebody. We'll see you next Monday at 7 p.m.